Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G21 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the display. Here let's tap on advanced and right under it we've got the wallpaper section. As you can see here we've got the preview of the home screen and lock screen, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from My Photos, and this is basically your own gallery. Here we've got some on-device wallpapers, and here we've got defaultly installed ones, and right here we've got some more options which are again defaultly installed, and they will be available if you will have the internet connection probably. So let me pick something from on-device wallpapers, and as you can see after tapping on it you can check a lot of possible options, let's say, from which you can choose. And as you can see here we've got the home screen and lock screen preview, so you can check how it will look like on particular screens. What's more, right now you can change the position of the wallpaper, you can adjust it just like you want to. So you can do it. If you don't want to do that, just tap on this let's say arrow icon, and as you can see right now I cannot move it. So if you want to check some info about that, just tap on this this info icon, and basically if you are happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully, so you can go back, and as you can see here we've got it set. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Nokia G21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.